Where's your ball? There's your ball. You're such a fierce hunter.
Yeah, put it in my shoe.
He's like, how can I incorporate the shoe into my game? Where are you gonna put it? It's so funny. I don't know where to go. You did it.
What are you gonna do?
Oh no, where'd it go?
Where's the other one?
Where'd it go? There it is. I see it. There it is. Get your ball. Get it. Oh no.
Dun, dun,
Oh.
dun.